Bank has two declared numbers, and we have seen 18% increase in profit after tax, and not only that, margins have also been maintained at 4.1%. Gaurav, how has been the quarter for ICICI Bank?
Well, yes, when we talk about ICICI Bank, here also we have seen a good set of numbers. Because when we talk about net interest income, we saw an increase of around 11%. This was actually in line with what the street is expecting. But when we talk about PPOP, there we saw a 17% growth on a year-on-year basis. And when we talk about the profitability, there we saw a growth of around 18%. Now, let's not forget that when we talk about ICICI Bank, people were expecting good set of numbers in terms of advances. Exactly when we talk about good set of numbers, ICICI Bank did report good set of numbers if we compare it with the overall industry growth. But it was a little below what the street is expecting, because advances growth is now at around 13.3% versus the expectation of somewhere in the range of 15%. On the other hand, when we talk about deposits, there we saw a good set of numbers. Around 14% growth is what the bank has delivered. What remains a very positive thing for ICICI Bank is net interest margin expansion, because this have expanded almost by 16 basis points from 4.25% to around 4.41%. So definitely a very big uptick is what we have seen for ICICI Bank. In terms of asset quality also, we saw some kind of improvement, because when we talk about gross NPAs, there we saw a decline of around 29 basis points on a sequential basis. But on this note, bank has said that they have sold NPA accounts for 2,786 crore rupees. So that is going to be something which is going to impact the gross NPA number. But on the other hand, when we talk about net NPAs and credit cost, there also we saw a bit of a decline. So definitely a very good set of numbers in terms of profitability and net interest margins from ICICI. What remains a key positive thing to watch out for is that how the commentary is going to be and how the ICICI Bank trajectory is going to be in terms of net interest margins. But definitely in terms of number, we are seeing a good set of numbers from ICICI Bank.